Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create design with custom dimensions on Canva. So if you need to make a design and then to in a site that isn't supported by the Canva templates, you can create your custom dimension, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here I've already opened my Canva on my phone, and then at the home page tap the plus button at the bottom and then click on custom size at the top, and then here you can just select the dimension unit. For example, you want to set it in pixel or inch or millimeter or centimeter. I'm going to use pixel for example, and then you just need to enter the width, for example, and also the height, like that, and click on create a new design, like that, and then the your custom dimension will be made in the editor like this, and you can just start the editing process like so. You can add text, change the color, you can also add some elements, some picture, and etc. Okay, so that's it. That is how you can make a design with custom dimension on Canva. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.